Hello, good to see you. The lathe is set with a heavy-duty, high-precision gearbox. Set the cooling system to cool the cutting tools and effective chip flushing. Rigid tailstock quill with precision roller bearings and transmission shaft. Our excellent rigidity and load capacity of the hard rails provide great stability. You are welcome to install various chucks. You can choose an effective turret for your job. Let the advanced controller help your engineering projects. Are you interested in this superb CNC lathe? Threads turning? Bye. See you next time.